Hey happy people, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be having two artists come together to work on one piece of art. Yes, two artists, one artwork. And one of the artists you guys already know as Alvin aka Chipmunk, and the other is Gregory aka Nino, cause
if it ain't Nino, it ain't official.
Aye. So guys, tie your seatbelt. Yes, emphasis on tie. Sit tight and enjoy the video.
Running up on the beat.
I'm done. Nah.
Alright, unfortunately the camera died on us while we were recording, but we're able to get everything done. We added a few things to it and you'd get to see it.
Shout out to our model for this video, Dimps. Our links would be in the description box below.
Oh guys, like and hold on. Like and share this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And before I forget, this is the final product.